So our cylinder has a circle face. So if it touches something, it's actually called the base, but for our purposes, we'll just call it a face for now. So our 3D shapes can have 2D shapes as a face. So here is a circle face and one vertice. All right, so there's our cone. The next shape is a sphere. It is not a ball, it is called a sphere. It takes up space. This shape is a smooth, round shape. From above, it looks like a circle, but it's not a circle because a circle is flat and a sphere is three-dimensional. When you have a sphere, it can roll. So I had to put a little tape on it so it doesn't roll away. So this is our sphere, and like a circle, it has no straight sides, it has no vertices, and it has no faces. So I'm going to stick it right there. Our next one is a cube. A cube has 6 faces, and they're all the same. And if they're all the same, that means they're all squares, because a square has the same length on every side. So on our square, we have a few extra parts. We've got 6 square faces. We have edges, where the 2 faces come together. This is called the edge. And then the corners are still called vertices. So a cube has square faces, edges, and vertices. All right, our last shape that we're going to focus on today is our cylinder. Everyone say cylinder. A cylinder is special because it has 2 circle faces. Will you grab that iPad, please? So I've got my cylinder, and a cylinder can roll if I lay it there, but like this, it doesn't go anywhere. So this is our cylinder. It has 2 circle faces. So now what I want to do is show you some examples of a cylinder. Take a minute and look around your house and see if you find some cylinders. I want you to find one. Maybe you'll see one in your pantry or in a cabinet. Maybe you'll see one in the refrigerator, in your cupboard. There are lots of cylinders everywhere. So pause, go find a cylinder, and then you can come back to the video. So with my cylinder, which I'll push my other little shapes out of the way, I'm going to show you some pictures of some real-life cylinders. You'll find some at home, but here's some more. So here is a trash can. A trash can is a cylinder because it has a circle base here and a circle face on top. How about a glass, a drinking cup? It has a circle face here, and even though the top isn't flat circle, it's still a circle shape on top. How about a battery? Whether it's a D battery or a AA, it's still a cylinder because it has 2 circle faces. Now here's one. I tried to trick you with this one, but this tuna can is a cylinder also because it has 2 circle faces. It's just like a really short squished one. So even though the sides aren't very tall like the battery or the trash can, it's still a cylinder. All right, you might have one of these at your house. A candle. Candle is a cylinder because it has 2 circle faces. Maybe in your school supplies you noticed your marker. If you stand your marker up, it has a circle face there and a circle face there. So if I stand it up, it stands up because circles are flat. How about this one? A tire. A tire is a cylinder. Even though it's on its side there, you can turn it down flat, and then one of the faces will be down on the ground like this so it doesn't roll away. Maybe you found one of these in your refrigerator or your pantry. A soda can. Soda cans are cylinders because they have the circle bases. And last but not least, 2020's favorite item on the shelf, off the shelf, toilet paper. So a toilet paper roll has a circle face on top and a circle face on the bottom. So I want you to get your worksheet and flip it over and go to cylinder. I want you to draw 3 pictures of a cylinder on your paper, either that you found at your house or you could copy on my board right here. Draw 3, and then I want you to label them. So if I were to draw, let's just say, a tuna can, the way to draw a cylinder to make it look 3D is you draw like an oval on top, and then you have two straight sides coming down, and then a little curve at the bottom. So maybe I won't do a tuna can because it's too small. Maybe I'll just make it a battery. So then I'll just draw my little battery, put the little plus sign, I'll put the little positive spot right there, and I'll write battery. B-at-tery. So now you will draw 3 cylinders and label them as best as you can. Stretch out your sounds. You know how to, all your letters and all your sounds, so go ahead and draw that. And now it's your turn to find cylinders in your house and draw your pictures.